So today we are working on we're gonna be on module 5 yes today, and we're gonna be doing a mini website project, right? This is where I want to see how you can lay your hands upon everything we've taught in this first phase of um website development, right? I want to see how you can think. I want to see how you can use everything we've taught. I want to see how you can, use elements to get your first website done. Um, it's not going to be a race, it's just going to be a form of check, right? To be sure you really understand what you're doing, right? I know we've taught HTML, we've taught CSS, and today we combine them to build two real projects, right? Two-page websites, right? And this is where you stop being a learner and start becoming a builder, right? So what you do, we basically will be combining the HTML, CSS knowledge together using the navigation tool, applying styling and layout principles to it, and all of that. At least by the end of today, you should be able to have a working website with at least two-page connected together, right? Ehen. So, right. So, the project brief is simply just build a simple personal website, which is all about you, right? It's going to have a homepage, about us, and navigation menu, right? So let it have a heading, let it have a paragraph, and let it have an image of you, right? And just do some basic styling to it. I want to see how you can come up with different ideas of doing a simple personal website for yourself, right? And yeah, doing a simple personal website for yourself. So you already know what it is. Just you need to have an index page first, which is your first page. You need to have an about us page, then your CSS and your images folder. These are the things I'm be looking for, right? And just store your personal image in your images. Store your styled CSS where you're going to be styling your index and your about us page. Store it inside the style or css folder. Then do your job on the index and about us page, link them together, have a navigation, then construct how your layout is going to be, for the index, right, which is the first page. I want to be able to see the title, your accomplishment, your education background, just a personal website. Tell me a short info about yourself by using all the tools that we have taught and all of that. So basically, you just have a welcome heading, right? If you have a welcome heading, you have a short intro into paragraph, then image, then a link to about us. Then inside the about us, you can have the heading, the description, and the link that is going back to the home, right? So keep it simple, focus on the structure and clean styling. I want to see how you can use colors to match each other, right? Um, yeah, so those are the things that we'll be doing in this module. And yeah, and you should submit your assignment before the next class. You should submit your assignment before the next class. At least you have this whole weekend to do that, right? So you should submit assignments before the next class. Yeah. So yeah, see you the next class. If you have any questions, you're gonna reach out to me, and let's discuss, right? Yeah. So this is a typical example of right what I'm expecting. So yeah, good.